Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to go over the exit ticket 67 plus 5. And I have 3 different ways I'm going to show you, and they're pretty quick. But I want you to pay close attention because if this was hard for you, I want you to pay attention to the first and the second way. If this was easy for you, I want you to pay attention to the last way. All right? So we have 67 plus 5. You should be able to picture that this is missing. If you had 3 more there, it would make a 10. So what we could do is we could take these 3 and move them right over here. And now we have a 10, a group of 10 there. And then we have 2 left over here. So now we have 1 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 10s and we have 2 leftover ones. So the answer was 72. And once again, we did this by making a 10. We took some from here, filled it over here so that we got a group of 10. Now take a look at this. So if you were doing this on your own whiteboard, you could draw 67, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 5 more. Oh, and you know what? You can actually go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see that this is too many ones over here. This can actually be grouped together into a 10 stick and moved over. Now we have our 6 10 sticks and 7. We have 6 and then 1 more, which is 7. And we have 2 leftover ones. So that's what's using a picture. But if this was all easy for you and you understood this really well, here's another way to think about this. So we could break up our 67 into 60 and 7. And we want to make a 10. We know that 7 needs 3 more to make 10. So I could also break up my 5 into 3 and 2. See what I've done so far? I broke up my 5, I broke up my 67. I broke up my 67 into 10s and 1s, the value of 10s and 1s. And then I broke up my 5 so that I could make a 10. So now 7 and 3 make 10. Now I have 60 plus 10, and I can't forget about my 2 extra ones. And I know that 60 and 10 more, we practiced 10 more. So 60 and 10 make 70, and I can't forget to still add my 2 extra ones, 72. Okay. So if this was hard, focus on the picture strategy. If this was easy, focus on breaking up your numbers into the value of 10s and 1s and then making 10s. You got to make a 10 over here too, don't forget that.